This overview will show you how to create quizzes and manually add questions. Under My Courses, click on the class that you're teaching. On the toolbar, click the drop-down arrow for Assessments and select Quizzes. Click the button for New Quiz, and you need to enter a name for it. Okay. We need to then select a grade item, and it's going to be Chapter 2. Okay. From here, we're going to select Allow Automatic Export to Grades. And then down here, we're going to click Allow Attempt to be set as graded immediately upon completion. Okay. Now we're going to go to the top of our page and click on the Restrictions tab. First thing we'll do here is set our status to active, and we are going to select our date and times. Okay. So we'll click tomorrow, and we'll do 9 a.m. and we'll select the end date as we want it to be tomorrow as well. Okay, we'll give it 1 hour, and it'll end at 10 o'clock. And we want to display this in the calendar. Okay. Now under timing, we only want this to be 60 minutes. Okay, so we've got in our minutes, and now we want to select Enforced. Okay. Now we're going to go to the Attempts tab, and this is how many times they can attempt to take the quiz, and I'm going to leave it at 1. Under Overall Grade Calculation, we're going to select what we want, and we want the first attempt. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the top of our page, and we're going to click on the Submission Views tab. Okay. And under Submission Views, this is what the students will see after they complete a quiz. So enter a name for the view. Okay, so this is going to be our Chapter 2 quiz results. Okay. Now we're going to select Save. Okay. Now we're going to go to Layouts and Questions. Okay, and this is going to be adding questions to your quiz. So we're going to click on Add Edit Questions. We're going to click New, and we're going to select True or False. Okay. Now what we're going to do is put in the number of points that we want for this question. This question will be worth 10 points. And our question is, okay, so our question is, was Langston University founded in 1897? Okay. Got our points in there. It's worth 10 points. We're going to go down here, and we're going to give it 100%. Okay, so 100% means they will get 10 points for that answer. Okay, now what we're going to go and do is we're going to click Save. And I'm going to show you how to input a multiple choice question. So we're going to select new, and then we're going to select multiple choice question. Okay, under multiple choice question, we're going to select our points, and this question will be worth 10 points as well. And the question we're going to ask here was, what year was Langston University founded? Okay, now we'll scroll down to where our questions are, and we will put in our answers. Number 1 will be 1980. Number 2 is going to be 1925. Number 3 will be 1887. And number 4 will be 1897. This is our correct answer, so we'll give it a value of 100. Okay, and then we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to click on Save. Now, if you wanted to continue adding multiple choice questions, you could click Save and Add New. Okay, but just for the purpose of the overview, we're going to save what we have. And then over on the top here, we're going to click the Done button. Okay. And then it's going to ask us how many questions we want per page. And I'm going to put 1. And I'm going to click Apply. And then I'm going to choose Save and Close. Okay. So if we scroll down here to the bottom, we're going to have our Chapter 2 quiz. And let's preview it to see what we've done. Okay. So it gives us the current time, and it tells us it's 60 minutes, and that it's on May 31st from 9 to 10. And to see the questions we input, we'll click on Start Quiz. Quiz you're about to begin may take a few minutes to load. We'll select OK. Okay, here is our first question. Was Langston University founded in 1897? And the answer is true. Okay. On the next page, our question was, what year was Langston University founded? Okay. So those are the preview of our 2 questions that we created. We'll click Exit Preview.